What's up guys, and welcome back to Generation Works YouTube channel, and today we're going to be starting part 2 of the CR250 build. And today we're going to paint some of the engine cases and covers and stuff like that so that it gives the bike a really nice look. It'll make the engine look good, clean, and all around. I've watched a couple other YouTube videos or YouTubers do this, and during their build series, some Cerakote, some powder coat, and I'm going to be showing you how to just do it with just simply spray paint, spray cans. It is worth the money, spending the extra to get the good stuff. I like Rust-Oleum stuff. It's what's sold to me locally, so other than that, I think the only other brand I would be using today is Duplicolor engine paint. I'm going to put that on the right side engine cover because that'll be getting some pretty good heat because coolant flows through there and stuff. These other external covers, I'm not worried about the heat as much. I don't think it'll get that hot to where it's going to affect the paint. But so simply what I'll be doing is taking a Scotch-Brite pad, scuffing this up. I've already cleaned them, if you're wondering. I'd use some of this Simple Green heavy duty stuff. I put it in a big tank, and when I was cleaning the engine cases, I went ahead and cleaned everything, so I've already done that. I'll be painting the engine pump cover, or water pump cover, clutch cover, and then the right side, right case side cover is what it's called, and then the stator cover. And then I do not have this with me right now, the oil pump cover or the oil filter cover, but I'll paint that at a later time. But simply I'll take this, scuff it up so it has a good place to bond, and the paint sticks well so you don't have chipping and peeling as easy, and it'll hold up just all around better if you scuff it up. And then I'm going to take some brake clean or some degreaser, degrease it so that there's no oils or grease getting in between the paint and the metal. So other than that, it's not a hard process. It's going to be a little tricky for me today because it's like 40 degrees outside, and the best time to paint's like around 60 degrees, so hopefully I can get it done quick outside, bring it in my garage where I have a heater, and I'll be able to have it cure correctly and it'll turn out good, hopefully. But I'll catch you back when I have it all painted and finished up. But other than that, enjoy these time lapses. And What's up guys, and welcome back from those time lapses. Let me show you the results here. I am very pleased with how everything turned out. So for this, I used, I'll show you here, this Duplicolor engine paint. It's the semi-gloss black. And all I did was put this Rust-Oleum primer, this stuff underneath. I did a base coat after I cleaned it and scuffed it up. You put the primer down, then you put that engine paint or whatever you want to use. You could really use whatever, and I think it would turn out alright. But I mean, it just turned out really good. I don't know if you guys can really see the finish there, but let me get the light. There, you guys can kind of see it. I mean, it turned out amazing. It has like a little metallic touch to it. I think it looks really good. So, and then over here we have the stator cover and clutch cover, and I really like the color I picked out. The camera doesn't really pick it up, but it has a lot of metallics too, and it looks real shiny. It looks like that factory magnesium color, but just a little bit different, a little bit darker. They were just worn out from boot rub, so I figured why not freshen it up and make it look better. So, other than that, oh yeah, let me show you that paint, that other metallics paint. Rust-Oleum metallic. Oh, it's just for anything really. So I think everything costs like, all three paints cost like 15 bucks, 4 paints, 20 bucks, something like that, a little over 20 bucks. And then before I put you guys down, I want to show you how I did this. I just took some straps and hooked them to my garage door track, some floral wire, and then I got to repaint them because I didn't let the primer dry enough, and it started to run real bad. I got to repaint those, but I want to get the video out of the way and out to you guys as fast as I can. So I'm gonna paint those another time, maybe later tonight. But I thank you guys for watching Generation Works, and I'll see you next time. Peace.